Hello, and welcome to the third episode of the series about logic gates and how computers work. Today we're going to speak about an AND gate, which is basically two transistors connected in series. In the previous episode, I explained how a transistor works, which is an important base for this video. If you would like to check this out, you can click in the right corner below, or you can find the link in the description below. So let's see how an AND gate works. An AND gate has two inputs, in this case we call them input A and input B, constant voltage, and one output. That is represented also on this breadboard, which is the current flows through this wire here. We have two inputs controlled by these two switches, and we have a output which is represented by this light. So if the current flows through this wire, the light will turn on. In the case of an AND gate, if the switch A is on but the switch B is off, the light will not turn on. But if the switch A and switch B are on, the output will be on. In electrical terms, current will flow through the output wire. In informatics terms, that means that we have input A, have input B, and we have an output. If the input A is off and the input B is off, the output will be also off, which is represented exactly in this case. If the input A, we turn it on, but if input B is still off, the output will be also off. If the input B, we turn it on, but the input A is off, the output will be off. But if input A and input B are on, the output is also on, which is represented in this case by the light. That is all that you need to know about AND gates, and stay tuned for the next episode where I'm gonna explain how our OR gate works. Thank you for watching.